Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be trying out this headband wig for the first time. And I already washed and conditioned my hair. Also, I was washing the hair wax out of my hair, so I was making sure nothing was left behind. And now I'm adding some leave-in conditioner. So I put it on the perimeter of my hair first because I thought I wasn't going to like detangle my hair like that, but I ended up doing it anyways. So I'm just detangling my hair and adding more of the leave-in. Also, it didn't show me actually putting the oil on, but I did put some oil on my scalp and I'm just rubbing it in with my fingertips. And then I kind of went down my actual hair and put a little bit more on. And now is the good part. This is the part where I'm going to be slicking my hair down into a low bun. So I'm using this brush. This is one of those brushes like for curly hair that like separate when you brush through your hair. So I'm using that brush first and I'm just smoothing and trying to get all my hair down and going in the same direction. And using a brush like this really kind of gets the hard work out of the way like in the beginning, so you don't have to worry about any tangles or bumps or anything. So I went ahead and did that, and now I'm tying my hair back. And now I'm going to be using both the Aunt Jackie's gel and some Gorilla Snot, and I'm just putting that on the front part of my hair. And then I'm taking my hard bristle brush. I'm going to need another one because this one is kind of worn out a little bit and it doesn't work that well, but I'm using that hard bristle brush and I'm slicking my hair back. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie it up. I didn't do really a tight bun or a tight ponytail first because I'm going to be doing my edges. So I'm using my edge booster and I just pulled out my edges. I usually never do it this way, but I went ahead and just pulled out all my edges and just had them all out at once. So once I have all my edges and everything pulled out, I did go ahead and pull the middle part right there out. I wasn't going to at first, but it wouldn't have looked right if I didn't. But yeah, I'm just swooping my edges and you can just watch me do that. It's going to be real quick. So yeah. And for this part, obviously you can do it however you want. This way, I wanted to do like a curl in the front, but I didn't have enough time to do that and to like possibly mess up. So I went ahead and just did my normal like routine, how I do with my edges. I actually did a pretty okay job. I pulled out a lot more hair than what I usually do, but I was able to work with it and yeah. So then I went ahead, I'm taking some Gorilla Snot. This is to help with all like the little flyaways and little pieces of hair that are like sticking out, just to help smooth them down because I already did slick my hair all the way. And this is why I don't pull the ponytail into like the ponytail. I don't do it tight right away because I want to be able to have all this hair go back into it. So I redid the ponytail off camera and now I'm just brushing the end of my hair so that I can get it in a nice sleek bun. So how I do the bun, I just wrap it around like as tight as I can, wrap the bun or wrap my hair around itself. The bun wasn't as small as I wanted it to be, but I got it into a bun. That's kind of all that mattered. It was poking out a little bit, but it was okay. So in the wig box, it came with some wig caps, 4 headbands, and of course the wig. So this is a curly 20-inch headband wig. Also has a Velcro, of course, and then inside it does have some clips on the side and in the front and in the back. And I went ahead and put on a wig cap. This one is one of my own, not the ones from the box, but I went ahead and put that on. And now to put on the wig, I just clipped the 2 clips on the side and I put that like underneath the wig cap. My hair was still really wet, so the wig cap kept sliding back and it was really annoying. Also, the clips wouldn't really stay on my hair either. They were kind of sliding back because like I said, my hair is wet, but the back clip was able to get on fine and I didn't have any trouble with that. So I went ahead and I'm gonna Velcro the little band on the back to the back of my head. And now I'm taking the hair down. So at first, I really didn't like how the hair looked and the texture like right out of the box. I don't think a lot of people really do like the hair how it is out of the box and have to kind of do something to it. So at first I just sprayed it with some water and I just detangled it with my fingers, or I ran my finger through it or whatever, but it still didn't look right to me, but I was gonna fix it later on. So I'm using this scarf. I didn't like any of the headbands that was given to me, so I just went ahead and used my own scarf. And I'm just tying that on. And yeah, so with my hair, I decided to just like drench my hair with water, and I'm also going to be using some mousse through it. And I felt like this made it look 10 times better to me. I don't know about y'all. You might like the pattern when it comes out the box, but I just don't. So anyway, I like drenched my hair, and then I'm also using some mousse on top of it to help have a curl pattern and to help it not get frizzy. And yeah. And here you can really see the difference of adding mousse and water. My hair is a lot more longer and it just looks more like, I don't know, moisturized on that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat and do the same thing to the other side. So once I'm done with that side, I'm taking some more mousse and I'm focusing this on the back part of the hair just because I don't want it to look like separated almost. I know I don't have a real part, but I still wanted to add some hair in the back. But this is what the hair is looking like and the final result. I'm really glad and happy that I decided to do mousse and some water. I also did put a little bit of gel on the ends. I forgot to mention that. And this is where the length is for both the back and the front. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video and everything that I showed. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content and more videos from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!